Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will introduce you to how to install the I/O expansion card. First, install the I/O expansion card. You can install either the EXA or EXB. Both are fine. Now power on the VFD. Now let me introduce the total I/O card terminal definitions. AO2 analog input terminal, digital input terminals. From X6 to X10, PLC2 connection common terminal. COM is digital switch input and output reference terminal. PK plus and PK minus motor temperature sensor input terminal. Now let me introduce with you the parameter setting for the I/O expansion card from F05.05 to F05.09 multifunction input terminals. Let me show you an example. I want to use the X6 terminal to run the VFD and the X7 terminal to stop the VFD. First, set the run command channel to the terminal control. F01.01 set 1. Set X6 terminal F05.05 to 1. Set X7 terminal F05.06 to 7. Then short the terminal X6 and COM. Now I want to stop the VFD, short X7 and COM. F05.30 is pulse port signal source. You can select 0, 1 or 2. F06.23 extended output Y2 terminal. You can select this output function. F06.24 extended relay output 2. Let's take an example. We want to relay output when the inverter is running. Set F06.24 to 1. Now take a multimeter, select the buzzer and connect with relay output between TA and TC. From F10.26, F10.28 and F10.29 parameters for motor temperature input terminal. F10.26 motor overheat protection selection extension. Set the motor overheat protection when an I/O expansion card is used. You can select LED 0, motor temperature sensor type 0 or 1. F10.27 motor overheat alarm label. Set the temperature value for overheat fault of the motor. Overheat fault is reported if the temperature is higher than this value. F10.28 motor overheat warning label. Set the temperature value for overheat warning of the motor. Overheat warning is activated if the temperature is higher than this value. F12.50 extension port communication disconnection selection. You can select LED 0, EXA port disconnection action mode, LED 00, EX port B disconnection action mode. Here is the all parameter setting I used in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact with our technical team for assistance. Thanks for watching.